Imagine that you own a small business and you want to scale your business up. However, limited team size, unpredictability of demand, less resources becomes a roadblock for your expansion. This is when you hear about cloud computing. Before you start investing into it, you decide to draw a difference between on-prem and cloud-based computing to make a better decision. When it comes to scalability, you pay more for on-prem setup. Once you scale up, it's difficult to scale down and often leads to heavy losses in terms of infrastructure and maintenance cost. On the other hand, you pay only for what you use, with easier and faster provisions to scale up and scale down. Next, server storage. On-prem systems need a lot of space for their servers. That comes along with power and maintenance hassles. On the other hand, cloud-based solutions are provided by the cloud service providers who manage and maintain the service, saving you both money and time. Then we have data security. On-prem systems offer less security thanks to complicated physical and IT security measures, whereas cloud computing offers you very high security and helps you avoid constantly manage and monitor it. In case of data loss, chances for data loss recovery for on-prem setup is very small. In contrast, cloud computing setup has robust disaster recovery in place to ensure faster and easier data recovery. Finally, we have maintenance. On-prem systems require additional teams, hardware and software maintenance, increasing cost by considerable degree. Whereas cloud computing solutions, on the other hand, are maintained by cloud service providers, reducing cost and resource allocation. Some of the popular cloud computing services are provided by AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. And we have come to the end of this video. We hope you find this informative and helpful. If you like the video, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to never miss a notification on latest technologies.